think probably over the last 10 years, I've noticed a degraded memory, and focusing on reading was almost impossible. I could read maybe a sentence or two, but I have to read it 4 or 5 times. Being able to sleep was a huge one. I wasn't really able to sleep, but maybe 6 hours every 4th or 5th night. That kind of recharged me, and then I'd go 3-4 days with maybe 3 to 4 hours of sleep, and my wife was pretty much just about done with me. The anger issues were coming to a head, and she knew something that needed to be done.
I didn't know that some of the things that I was seeing were symptoms of traumatic brain injury. I didn't know confusion, trouble sleeping. I didn't even know what TBI was. I didn't know a Carrick Brain Center existed. We had dinner with friends of ours, and Dave was talking about some of the symptoms that he had. And Brian and I were listening, and I was thinking as I was sitting there listening, this sounds like my husband, this sounds like Brian. And Dave said, you know, you really need to think about going and getting treated at Carrick Brain Center. We needed this for our family.
I was just struggling, trying to change diet, trying to exercise more, trying to reduce stress any way I could, but it wasn't working. Coming here to Carrick Brain Center, working a lot of small focus issues, some stimulation, some balance things, and the spinning and adjusting diet, I believe I know has increased my sleep. I've been able to sleep 3 nights, the last 3 consecutive nights. I've got more than 7 hours of sleep each night, and I can't remember the last time that has occurred.
But once you start seeing again the neck smoothness, the memory recall is starting to improve, his cognition, the performance on some of these tasks, he started becoming a little more enthusiastic about what he was doing and what we were doing. He's so intrigued about his life and his health and what we do, and he's starting to say, in his words, I'm awake.
And it didn't dawn on me till he asked me that I could actually read without having problems. My headaches are subsided, probably decreased by 90%, and that was a big driver for me. I used to be on a lot of medication for migraines and just eating tons of aspirin, ibuprofen, that kind of thing, and those are all gone. Dr. Shore's team, and working specifically with Dr. Solis, was tremendous. What a tremendous amount of wealth of knowledge that they have and they bring to Carrick. Now I'm starting to realize that anything can be accomplished, that it was just me getting in my own way. So with a clarity and focus that I'm able to have now, I believe that the next year will be easy. It's a life changer.